How to log into M&T Bank online banking. Hey everybody, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So open up a browser, for example Brave, and once you open a browser, you will go ahead and type in the search bar M&T online banking and hit search. And once you do that, you should be getting results. So from here, what you can do is head over to onlinebanking.mtb.com. Go ahead and do that, or you may also head over to mtb.com directly. Let's head over to the second option, and once you head over to the login page, you should be getting this interface. Now in the given interface, all you gotta do is enter up your user ID that you used in order to create your account. After that, your passcode for your account, and tap on this login option. If you're having issue, you can tap on this help with user ID or passcode and follow the on-screen prompts. That's for a personal account you may follow. Same likewise for commercial treasury center. You may go ahead and enter up your treasury center US user ID and go ahead and log in. So that is how you basically log in into your M&T Bank. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.